Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to share the best cases to protect your iPhone SE 2020. Now we do have a bunch of cases over here. They're all from Supcase, and these are the Unicorn Beetle Series. Now over here we have the award-winning Unicorn Beetle Pro Series that are designed for maximum protection. So these are the Pro models, these three right here, and then we have the regular Unicorn Beetle models. So let's dive in and take a look at them all one by one. I'm going to start with the maximum protection cases. Alright, so these are the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, and I do want to make a quick distinction. So they all have the same level of protection. Each and every case has a front screen protector. So when I touch the screen, you're not actually touching the screen, you're touching the screen protector that's built into the phone. And of course, when you flip the phone around, you can see it's a highly rugged case. Now, there's a little difference between one Pro case and the other Pro case. This Pro case does not have a kickstand, but this one has a kickstand, and the kickstand is easily operatable. You basically just pull this up, snaps into place, and now if you want, you can actually watch movies in this orientation, or you can actually have the phone in this orientation as well. So one of these cases, the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, has a kickstand and the other one doesn't. Otherwise, both cases are equally protective of your phone, and they both come with an actual screen protector built into the case, so the phone's screen is completely and fully protected. And of course, with these cases, it's very easy to put the phone in the case. Basically what you do is you grab the phone, you put the phone in the front casing, and then you grab the whole thing and you slide it inside into the back casing, and everything just firmly snaps into place, and you get a nice and solid seal. And of course, the cases come in various different colors. You also have the white color. If you want a black case, you also get a full black color as well. And I will let you know, handling the phone with the case on is very easy, okay? You do have access to the fingerprint sensor. There's precision cutouts for the front camera and the speaker. And of course, there's precision cutouts for all the buttons and the ports all around the phone. And when it comes to pressing the buttons on the phone with the case on, it's no problem. So I'm going to press the power off button, no problem. Press on, log in, okay? And then also change the volume, no problem. So that's fantastic. Phone is fully accessible and also completely protected. And of course, these cases offer excellent drop protection. They have shock absorbance all around. So you can see that I'm dropping the phone on a very hard surface and no damages is coming to the actual phone no matter what I do. Basically, in every real life scenario, your phone is going to be protected from drops onto concrete, wood, or whatever. So basically, if you want a total body protection, drop protection, this is the case to get, the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Additionally, these cases have been drop tested by CNET for up to 20 feet, and Everything Apple Pro went as far as 50 feet and deemed the cases as a survivor. Now, I'll let you know, all these cases actually come with belt clips, okay? So you get this attachment right here that snaps onto the phone just like that. And now you can have this on your belt, okay? So if you are working, you can have it on your belt and you can remove it with ease, as you can see. So that's another feature of these Unicorn Beetle Pro cases. And of course, all these cases pass the wireless charging test. All right, so next up what we have is we have the non-Pro Unicorn Beetle Series. So these are all going to be see-through with slight variations in design. This one here is the Unicorn Beetle style case. It comes in various colors. This one right here is the EXO series. Again, comes in different colors. This one is known as the Unicorn Beetle Clear. So as you can see, we have a frost color for this one. We have a black color if you want for that one, okay, including some other colors. And of course, we also have a black color for this one, and even a full black as opposed to the red-black combination for this one as well. Now again, these phones are designed to be extremely grippable. So the phone is not going to slide from your hands. All the buttons and the screen is fully exposed. It does not have a built-in screen protector. You can easily press the power off and power on button right here, log right in, and use the volume keys, no problem. Now every single one of these cases has a precision cutout for all the ports, the speakers, the camera, and so on and so forth. And like I said, they're all very similar, similar weight, similar grip. But the big thing is, if you look at the design, it's a little bit different. So this one has a rounded cutout, rounded cutout. This one has a little stylish cutout right over here. So it's all going to be up to you on deciding which design you like more, and just get that one, because there's really no difference between either case when it comes to protection. I do want to let you know they're all shock resistant cases. So as they fall on the floor, the corners are designed to absorb all the shocks. And also it has raised lips. So when you put the phone like this on the table, the screen is not in contact with the surface. So when I drop the phone like this, the screen does not get any damage. It's these lips that take all the damage. So they're good for drop protection also, but they're not as protective as the Unicorn Beetle Pro series that we talked about. And of course, these cases also pass the wireless charging test, no problem. So that brings us to the end of this video. I'm going to drop the links down below to every single case, and you can also pick the color that you want. And if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?